calculations, but so far I've landed on this. And these are the pieces that we're going to be cutting. 12 by 24. We're going to cut it off the length first, and then cut it down the middle. And we're keeping this the same width. So, yep. And then these are the inserts. Alright, so we're jumping right in. As I said in my previous videos, I didn't give much explanation as to what I'm doing in these clips, but right now I'm just measuring all of my pieces that I need to cut and making sure that they are straight and level. Whew. It's hot out here, you guys. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now that we have all the pieces cut to size, it's time to put them together, and I'm using my 90-degree jig to do that, to make sure that all of my pieces are at a 90-degree angle and that it's going to be square. And I'm really glad I had that tool because that made the process go by much faster. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Okay, so I made the shell in the box. It stopped raining outside, so I was able to cut some more pieces. And here's where we are thinking about construction for the shelves. I cut these pieces. Whoop. Get wet. And so these are going to be the tops. So far I'm happy with how they're... Have I spoken too soon? Okay. I'm happy with how they are sitting in here. Of course I have to do some what's the word? You know what? I kind of like this. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so I was looking at this and I had this piece of wood here that could potentially... Oh no, but I can't do that because I already cut these pieces. Yeah, no. Okay. Alright, scratch that. Can't do it. I already cut these pieces, so there is no point in doing that. Put my jig on here. Still work. Flip it like that. Oh yeah, it'll work. It'll work. So that, can't use that. What I'm gonna have to use is this. And this is kind of almost the width that it needs to be. I just need to cut this down a little bit. But I also want to measure something real quick to make sure. Okay, so we're getting closer to the finished product. Once I figured out the layout of the shelves and how tall I wanted the shelves to be in between each other, I sanded everything down and made sure there was no sharp edges or rough spots. And then I just got to assembling everything together. I don't have a better angle of me doing that, but yeah. So in the next clip, I am clearing everything out and installing it. I wasn't going to fit in there, but I know it was going to fit in there because I tested out the bottom and top pieces. Excellent, great, amazing. So, also thinking of creating some sort of like storage something that goes here that I can like pull out. So as I start to put everything back and figure out where I want things to go, you know, this is more of a craftsman's type style cubby situation. It's not, you know, the most refined or the most polished, but it's what works for me, and I really like it. It's grown on me.